Hello, Javier, Nancy here. So thank you for accepting this video. So basically what I'm going to show you with this video is just how to grow your business and how to bring more customers and outrank your competition. So I'm going to speak on content on what Google looks for to really rank your web page. I'm also going to speak on citations, which is your name, address, and phone number listed in different directories. And then backlinks, which are links from your web page, links from your web page sitting on other web pages, actually directing customers to your web page. All right, so I see that you have a page here, which doesn't have a lot of content at all. So I did speak about content. So Google is really big on content. So you definitely want to have a web page that has at least 1,500 words on your home page. And then, of course, you want to have additional pages showing, all the services that you provide. So I don't see a service page on here at all. And then I saw one that was linked to your Facebook, and there's not much on there either. All right, so you definitely want to add more content. And when you add content, you want to have keywords on there that are buyer intent. So what those are the words that customers are searching for. So maybe they're searching for um, renovation, bathroom renovation, or bathroom renovations in Vineland, or a roofer in Vineland. So I see that you do a lot of services. So you want to have all those keywords within your content. Okay. So that's just the first tip there. And then I want to speak on citations. Now I went into Google, um, and I do see that you're using citations because you are popping up in the Google map, which is good. So what those are is pretty much getting your name out there, your name, your address, and phone number listed in different directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Blue Pages. Seems like you're doing well with that, right? But 60% of um, customers really don't like to click in here only because it could be spam. They don't really trust it. They really want to go right to your page and see what you're all about. So, when they go here, um, they go onto actually, yeah, they go onto this page here, which there's not that much information on here. Okay, so you definitely want to have really good pictures. You want to, um, list all your services that you provide. So you have some reviews, which are good, and you have some pictures. And I love that you named your company after your little girl, which is awesome. All right, so that's another tip there. Okay, so you definitely want to do a page that customers can really see exactly what you do, okay? See your work and, be able to maneuver through your page very easily, okay? So I'm going to show you tools that I use, which is called Ahrefs. So Ahrefs basically just goes in the back end of your web page, and it tells me what you're doing with your web page, how your web page is ranking. So basically, you don't have any organic keywords in there, which is, the keywords that I was referring to, the buyer intent keywords. So you want to, get those in there. And you definitely don't have any backlinks. So backlinks are, like I said, they're links to your webpage on other pages that provide services like yours. Okay, so you are a general contractor. So you want to have your link on other pages that, for example, maybe a concrete company, can refer customers back to your page. All right, so that's something that I do, and I put links all over for you. If that's a service that you need, let me know. So then I went into a couple different companies in the area. Eliano came up as one of the top competitors in the area, but it seems like they do a lot of commercial. Okay, so then I found Aubrey, which is more residential, and they see how their page looks, and they have a lot of content on there. They have all their services listed here. So you definitely want to do that. You want to have, you know, you do have a clickable phone number. You also want to have maybe your license information, on there, because a lot of companies won't hire you unless you state that you're licensed. So, I mean, a lot of, not companies, but, people that need service. All right, so I went and I put Eliano's Brothers Construction in here, and as you see, they have 134 backlinks, and they have 263 keywords that they're being found for. So that's something that you want to have on your page as well. So you want to have the backlinks, have the keywords so customers can find you. All right. So those are some tips that I wanted to share with you. It's something that I can help you with, or you can take this and maybe do it, do it yourself, or maybe you have someone that can help you with it. But if not, my services, are here, and I would love to help you grow your business, because that's what I do. I help different companies in the area grow their business. So let me know what you think about the video. Review it with your partner, and hope to hear back from you. I actually follow up with you in a couple days. Just give you time to share this with your partner. All right. Thank you.